Hi, my name is Shivani Chauhan, and here I am going to explain some concepts of mathematics as well as computer science coding to show my skill that I have learned during my academics. I will solve the questions from mathematics and especially from the calculus, differentiation as well as integration questions. I have done my engineering from Rajkot Engineering College, Azamgarh in information technology in 2026, and here there is a first question that I will explain from the differentiation. First question I can take like integration of note. First question is from the differentiation. So for calculating the difference, let's say x into sin x. I will differentiate this one. I will simply use the chain rule because this is the composition function. I will use chain rule that says that if there are two functions u and v, so for calculating the differentiation of these two, u is same and v का differentiation plus b is same and u का differentiation with respect to x. X is the variable in which these functions are written. Okay, so y dash is equal to x is same and differentiation of sin x is cos x plus sin x is same this time and differentiation of first one is 1. Final answer is sin x plus में x cos x. This will be our final answer. Okay, dy by dx. This is second questions. I can explain x का square log x. Let's say this is the second question. X का square ln of x dx y is equal to, here we will also simply use the chain rule that says that first one का differentiation 2x into में this is the this will remain the same. Okay, तो ln x plus फर्स्ट वन इज़ द सेम और जी सेकंड वन का ln x का आई होप यू नो इसका डिफ्रेंसिएशन जो ln x का होता है वो 1/x दैट इज इक्वल टू x प्लस 2x ln x. x we will take common, so 1 plus 2 ln x. This is the final answer or final differentiation of this function. Third example we can take like this question is frequently asked, y is equal to x to power x. How to differentiate this? Because there is the power and power is in same variable in which we are required to calculate the differentiation of this function. So these types of patterns जिसमें भी power comes in same variable in which we are calculating the differentiation. For that we are required to take log at both of the sides. Okay, this is the concept. So we will take the log and here also we will take the log. So log की प्रॉपर्टी होती है जो पावर होती है वो नीचे आ जाएगी. Then we will differentiate. First step is take log at both sides. Okay, second step is differentiate with respect to x at both sides. Okay, so 1/by ln x का differentiation 1/x या फिर 1/y and into the differentiation of y, that is dy by dx. And here simply we will use the chain rule. X is same into differentiation of ln x 1/x and x का differentiation is 1. like here by differentiation of y is dy by dx, but here the differentiation of x is 1, dx upon dx is equal to 1. Okay, and differentiation of x, that is 1 into my ln of x. So dy by dx is equal to y इधर मल्टीप्लाई होगा और 1 प्लस ln ऑफ x इज इक्वल टू dy by dx. ओके, इज इक्वल टू y की वैल्यू y इज इक्वल टू x की पावर x. सो 1 प्लस ln ऑफ x. दिस इज अ सिंपल differentiation of this function. Now let's move towards the integration part. For calculating the integration, we will take just a simple one example. Like we can take the questions, we can write the question. I take one question so that I can explain it more clearly. Let's say there is a question I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 ln of sin x into dx. This is a simple question, not simple, this is the questions that is asked mostly in JEE Main or advanced high level question. For solving these questions we are required to know this is the property that 0 to pi I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 ln of sin x is equal to, this is same, cos x dx. Okay, I hope you know that this concept, why this came into this. Otherwise I will explain in later. Okay, I will go inside this, but here we are given the task to solve integration of this, so I will keep this in my mind. सिंपली यहाँ पे ये यूज़ हुआ है कि 0 to pi by 2 ln of sin x a plus b minus x. So 0 plus pi by 2 माइनस में x करते हैं तो is equal to cos x. Simply this is equal to this. This concept is used here. Okay. Now this is the first equation. This is the second equation. We will just add 1 and 2. Equation number. Okay. 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2. When we will add these two, so ln of sin x plus ln of cos x dx, okay, is equal to 0 to pi by 2 ln of what is this, sin x into cos x. I hope this is understood. We will just simple write here that 2i is equal to क्या था, 0 to pi by 2 ln of cos x into sin x into dx. As we know that sin 2x is equal to 2 cos x into sin x. So by this property we can put the value of this here. Okay, so 2i is equal to 0 to pi by 2 ln of sin 2x upon 2 into my dx. Okay, here we can use the log property. log की प्रॉपर्टी यही कहती है कि ये दो फंक्शंस हैं, इनको अलग कर लिया जाएगा. प्लस में 0 to pi by 2 ln of sin 2x dx. 2i is equal to 0. This is just constant here, ln of 1 by 2. Here 1 का इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x. Okay, 0 to pi by 2 plus here we will use 2x is equal to, let's say t, तो x is equal to dt upon 2 and limit also will change. Limit will change x बराबर pi 2 तो t बराबर पाई हो जाएगा और 0 पे 0. सो 0 to pi ln of sin t dt by 2. Okay, so 2i is equal to ln of 1 by 2 यहाँ पे क्या बचेगा, पाई बाई टू, पाई बाई टू माइनस जीरो, पाई बाई टू. ओके, here so you are required to know this is the property. Here I will not go inside this, but you remember that this is the property that if any integration is given in this form 0 to pi by 2 sine ln of 1 by 2, we are taking the common 0 to pi ln of sine t. This is written like this. This integration, this whole integration, this is also require one kind of proof, is equal to minus के ln of 2. I will explain or I will solve, I will prove this how this came into this, but this is not the right time to prove this. You are required to know this is already proved result. Okay, so 2i is equal to ln pi by 2 माइनस के पाई बाई टू ln ऑफ 2. ये 2 ऊपर चला जाएगा तो माइनस बाहर आ जाएगा, पावर बाहर आ जाएगी, प्लस में 1 बाई 2. व्हाट इज़ दिस, माइनस के पाई ln ऑफ 2. 2i इज इक्वल टू माइनस के 2 पाई बाई 2 ln ऑफ 2. ये दोनों ऐड हो जाएंगे, सिंपल सेम रिजल्ट है. तो i इज इक्वल टू माइनस के पाई बाई 2 ln ऑफ 2. दिस इज़ द फाइनल आंसर ऑफ this question. I hope this question is clear and how we have solved this. Now it is there is again one questions that I will take and will solve. That question belong to the common concept, and that is a limit question. Limit x tending to 0. These types of questions are frequently asked mostly in GATE exam. Okay, this is the question that is based on the expansion. I think that the expansion is, this expansion is clear. Sin x expansion is, this is equal to x minus x की पावर 3 by 6 and plus x की पावर 5 by something something. big of x की power 5. Mostly we write this expansion like this by using the Taylor series. We can prove also this how this expansion came by using the Taylor formula. We will just write this. Okay, so put this here. By putting here limit x tending to 0 x minus x की पावर 3 by 6 प्लस बिग ऑफ एक्स की पावर 5 माइनस में एक्स, इसको इतना ही ध्यान नहीं देते, और एक्स की पावर 3. ये एक्स से एक्स कट जाएगा और एक्स की पावर 3 से एक्स की पावर 3. यहाँ पे समथिंग कुछ एक्स स्क्वायर, एक्स की बहुत सारी टर्म्स बचती चली जाएंगी. व्हेन वी विल पुट एक्स इज इक्वल टू 0, वो ऑल टर्म्स विल बिकम द 0. ओके, हेयर व्हाट वी विल गेट एट फाइनली इट विल written simply minus के 1 by 6. This is the questions that is also using the concept of limit. Okay, now it is the time